Sports in 2014. Listening to music, measuring the distance covered, the time used and the calories burned, and, what is more important, being on call at all times. Smartphones make it possible. What used to sound like distant future is reality today. Time for the next step. And this one leads to the checkout, because nowadays consumers can even pay with their smartphone using the According app. The keyword being mobile payment. The medium-term goal is to make the wallet dispensable. At the Institute of Retail Industry EHI in Cologne, the industry experts strongly believe that mobile payment will increasingly become more feasible. And currently the trade is making plans to that end.
We know that
37% of the trading companies will be revising their cash software as well as their hardware within the next 2 years. In the course of this revision, they will become more mobile capable. This means that within the next 2 years we will have more than 50% of the retailers who will be able to handle payments via mobile phone.
Zahlungen per Handy abzuwickeln.
And this kind of payment has to be able to offer more in order to be a real alternative to cash, cards and co. For example, the possibility to shop on all channels using one system of payment. Meaning not just in the shop, but also when shopping online or directly off of an advertisement board or at home when shopping via invoice. And above all, it has to be safe and fast. Cross-channel payment is what providers such as the company Japital call it.
Mit dem Smartphone verlagert sich der
The cash machine is transferred into the pocket, so to speak. But first we have to get used to the cell phone as a payment method. People who have already familiarized themselves with it pass it on very quickly and say, now I really have a cost overview and I have a cost control.
Da habe ich die Kostenkontrolle.
According to TNS Infratest, by now almost half of the German population can imagine using their phones as a payment method, as opposed to cash or card. Especially as the buyer can immediately see his or her account balance after the purchase. Apart from that, providers want to integrate additional options. For example, the possibility to digitally deposit receipts and save coupons and discount cards in the phone. From the industry's point of view, it would be beneficial if there weren't too many payment systems, because then one would have to support all of them. That is why one is hoping that the different pools will agree on only a few solutions. At present, there is a proliferation of different providers. Once they are logged in, users of certain providers can already send each other money, for example, in real time without using transfer forms, without online banking and without having to count loose change. It makes sharing a dinner bill much more convenient. Of course, only if he isn't willing to pick up the check.